In the fields, iron beasts work the land. But when they fall, who comes to their rescue? A lone woman hears their silent call across the countryside. She is their champion, their mechanic, their savior. This is a mission against rust, mud, and time itself. Together, they guide the wounded giant back home. Back at the workshop, the next phase of the rescue begins. The first step is a baptism, washing away years of neglect. She meticulously cleans every surface, preparing it for surgery. The old machine is treated with dignity and respect. With the body clean, she turns her attention to the details. A man joins her, and together they delve into the engine's heart. She takes up her tools, an active partner in the revival. After hours of work, a final inspection is made. A smile of satisfaction, the machine is ready. With a turn of the key, the silent engine roars back to life. She takes the reborn tractor for a triumphant drive. This is a victory for perseverance. The resurrected machine rolls on, its story rewritten. From one project to the next, the work is never done. This orange tractor requires a different kind of care. The cleaning is a meditative process, a ritual of maintenance. She washes away the grime of the fields with a gentle hand. The engine is given the same meticulous attention. A final rinse leaves the machine gleaming. She carefully dries every surface, protecting it from rust. The fuel cap is checked, a small but important detail. She moves to the electrical system, her knowledge vast. A power drill makes short work of the disassembly. Wearing a traditional hat, she delves into the mechanics. The radiator is removed and given a deep cleaning. The clean component is carefully reinstalled. The final bolts are tightened with a sure hand. The machine is checked one last time. Every part is wiped down, a final act of care. She inspects the joints and connections. The reassembly is precise and methodical. The inspection is complete, the tractor is ready. She wipes her hands, her work on this machine is done. A quiet smile for a job well done. Their workshop is a place of constant motion and collaboration. Together, they tackle the engines of multiple tractors. A power drill assists in the heavy work. Their movements are a synchronized dance of repair. She works on one engine while he works on another. The work is demanding but shared. He works on the delicate parts of the engine. She moves a tractor, her strength undeniable. He works underneath, a difficult and dirty job. The rusted machine tells a story of a long, hard life. She drives another tractor, a master of these powerful beasts. She prepares a jack, ready for a tire repair. With a simple hand pump, she gives the tire new life. Her focus is absolute, even in the simplest of tasks. A small leak is a sign of a deeper problem. But she is undeterred and takes the tractor back to the fields. Her life is a journey through the rural landscape. But trouble is never far away. A machine has fallen. She works to clean the mud away, the first step in its rescue. With help, the fallen giant is pulled back to safety. Another day, another rescue, this one from a muddy bog. She fights a battle against the thick, unforgiving mud. Reinforcements arrive, a more powerful machine to aid the rescue. Together, they pull the trapped tractor from the mire. The rescued machine is caked in the evidence of its struggle. It is towed away, another life saved from the wild. They navigate the difficult terrain, a rescue convoy. The journey back to the workshop is long and arduous. Finally, they arrive back at their sanctuary of steel. The two machines stand side by side, rescuer and rescue. The now familiar ritual of cleansing begins. The power of the water is a symbol of renewal. She washes away the mud, and with it, the memory of the struggle. The tractor's original colors begin to shine through. A single flower stands in contrast to the heavy machinery. The repair work begins on the rescued machine. Her touch is both strong and gentle. She cleans a small part with a brush, her attention to detail unwavering. Her hands, though dirty, perform miracles of mechanics. The restored machine is a testament to her incredible spirit. She works on the red tractor, her focus absolute. A man assists, their teamwork a well-oiled machine. She continues the work, her knowledge of these engines profound. She works on the electrical system, a delicate task. The engine is inspected from every angle. He works on the heavy bolts, providing the needed strength. The engine work is a collaboration of skill and power. No detail is too small to escape their notice. She cleans the engine block, preparing it for reassembly. He continues the deep mechanical work. Their hands move in a familiar rhythm of repair. This is their art form, their passion. She gives the machine a final inspection. The restored tractor stands as a symbol of their dedication. It has been given a new lease on life. But another machine has fallen, this one in a stream. She struggles against the water and the machine's immense weight. It is a lonely, desperate battle against the elements. Her strength and spirit are tested to their limits. She refuses to let the river claim another soul. This is her most dramatic rescue yet. Reinforcements arrive in the form of a powerful red tractor. Together, they begin the arduous process of recovery. The fallen giant is slowly pulled from its watery grave. The teamwork is a display of power and precision. Back at the workshop, the woman searches for something in the water. They work together on the rescued machine. Their hands work in unison, a shared purpose. The engine is inspected for water damage. The journey continues, towing the rescued tractor home. She steers the wounded machine, her expression calm. They navigate the rough terrain, a slow procession of revival. The convoy arrives back at the sanctuary of the workshop. The two tractors stand together, a story of rescue and hope. The cleansing ritual begins once more. She washes away the river, erasing the memory of the fall. The tractor is reborn through the power of her care. The final shot is one of peace and accomplishment. The two machines, once strangers, are now brothers in restoration. The woman's work is a testament to the power of a caring hand. The restoration of the orange tractor is a story of patience. She washes it with the same care she gives all her machines. Inside the workshop, she inspects its engine. Her hands move with the confidence of a master mechanic. The engine's complexity is a language she understands. She works with a quiet, intense focus. The meticulous repair ensures the machine will run for years to come. She works on another part, her dedication endless. She cleans the small parts with a care bordering on reverence. The restored engine is a work of mechanical art. The fuel lines are reconnected, the lifeblood restored. She continues the reassembly with practiced grace. The engine, once silent, is ready to roar again. She gives it a final check, her expert "I'm missing nothing." New oil is added, a final blessing for the reborn machine. Her work is a continuous cycle of care and creation. The engine is whole, its revival complete. But her world is one of constant motion, of new challenges. She uses her phone, perhaps arranging the next rescue. Her work is a bridge between the old world and the new. Her world is one of quiet roads and powerful machines. She sits in an old truck, a vessel of stories and miles. She prepares to drive, another journey about to begin. The truck's body tells a story of rust and resilience. Its engine is a testament to a bygone era of mechanics. She negotiates with a man, perhaps for parts or for another rescue. The currency of her world is trust and a shared respect for the machines. The work begins on the truck's tired wheels. She lifts it with a simple jack, her ingenuity shining through. Her strength is remarkable as she works to free the wheel. She inspects the bolts, a crucial step for safety. She carries a load, her life one of constant labor. She and her partner move a small tractor, their teamwork effortless. The repaired truck waits, ready for its next task. They load a motorcycle onto the truck, a delicate operation. The heavy bike is lifted with care and coordination. It is secured for the journey, another soul saved. The truck drives off, a vessel of rescued machines. Her partner walks alongside, a guardian on the road. She loads another motorcycle, her work truly never-ending. Her world is a constant cycle of problems and solutions. A man drives a red tractor, another player in this rural drama. She removes the truck's battery, the first step in a deep repair. The corroded terminals tell a story of neglect. She cleans them with a delicate touch, restoring the connection. Her partner works inside the cab, tackling another issue. The engine's air filter is clogged with the dust of the road. She uses a multimeter to diagnose the electrical faults. The two machines, truck and tractor, stand as symbols of her life. Her days are a symphony of repair, a constant, beautiful struggle. The final restoration is a testament to her unyielding spirit. She works on the truck's engine with a familiar grace. A single hand points out a flaw, a detail others would miss. She works on the fuel lines, the arteries of the machine. A pair of pliers is all she needs to solve a complex problem. Her expertise is evident in every confident movement. She stands up, her work on the engine complete for now. She organizes the disassembled parts, her process methodical. The engine is slowly, painstakingly, brought back to life. The revived truck waits, its long silence finally broken. It stands ready for a new journey. The restoration is complete, another soul saved from the scrapyard. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Lan for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.